Get ready for the future of luxury driving, because Mercedes has totally gotten modern with this incredible new feature. We are diving deep into how the Mercedes-Benz E450 all-terrain station wagon is transforming the ownership experience with a system called Routines that learns your habits and lets you command the car with simple if this then that commands. Learn how this tech is changing everything you thought you knew about in-car personalization.
Here's a simple way to protect your phone without stress. This ALAN 3-pack comes with tempered glass screen protectors, camera lens protectors, and an installation frame for an easier, cleaner fit. It's clear, case-friendly, and built to help guard against scratches and everyday bumps. Check the link in the comments to get it on Amazon.
Next up, we are looking at the high-stakes world of motorsport and the new electric Mercedes-AMG GT 4-door Coupé. Mercedes-Benz CEO Ola Källenius joins F1 development driver Dorian Pin for an exclusive test, putting this performance-focused model through the ultimate gauntlet to see if it earns the driver's approval. We break down the engineering concept, the new axial flux motor technology, and the real-world performance results. The automotive world is shifting gears as Volkswagen unleashes its biggest plug-in hybrid, yet with the debut of the Volkswagen ID. Era 9X, this imposing full-size three-row SUV, challenges the competition head-on with its massive dimensions, advanced design language, and revolutionary interior tech. We explore everything from the dual 15.6-inch screens to the zero-gravity massage seats and the incredible 800-volt architecture. And finally, we wrap up with the Volkswagen ID, Era 9X, and its impact on the market. Discover how this new vehicle is positioning itself against rivals like Mercedes and BMW, and what it means for the future of large electric SUVs. Don't miss this analysis, so stay tuned right here for all the latest automotive breakthroughs. Luxury automakers are evolving beyond traditional high-end features, focusing increasingly on innovative time and hassle-saving technologies. Mercedes-Benz is demonstrating this shift with a feature called Routines, designed to personalize the vehicle experience far beyond standard settings. The Routines system allows owners to program the car to execute specific commands using if this, then that logic, accessed through the touchscreen's app menu. This system moves beyond simple habit learning to give owners granular control over their vehicle's behavior. Key functionalities demonstrated include precise climate control, where users can set heating or cooling levels based on specific external and cabin temperatures rather than single presets. Another notable improvement is eliminating menu navigation. For instance, a car wash mode can be programmed to appear on the screen when approaching a preferred location, ready for activation. Furthermore, owners can set up routines for long-haul stress relief, such as engaging an invigorating massage program after a set driving duration. Creating a routine involves selecting a condition, grouped under time, navigation, climate, and vehicle, and pairing it with an action, which can affect various vehicle functions like window controls, sunroofs, speed limits, or even engaging off-road modes. These routines can be complex, executing multiple functions simultaneously based on a single condition, which significantly saves time and reduces driver distraction. While the system offers a few-second countdown and cancellation options, users have suggested improvements, such as making location triggers more specific, like using pin locations from rideshare apps and displaying alerts on the instrument panel cluster for quicker intervention. Industry analysts suggest that features like routines represent a thoughtful evolution for legacy automakers like Mercedes. By focusing on reclaiming user time and reducing aggravation through smart automation, manufacturers can maintain leadership alongside their established strengths in ride quality, materials, and engineering. In a significant development shaking up the Formula One paddock, team principal Christian Wolff has publicly urged the decision-makers to terminate the ongoing engine deal with McLaren. Wolff's strong stance suggests deep reservations about the current arrangement, prompting speculation about potential restructuring or a complete overhaul of the technical partnership. The statement, relayed through GP blog, was particularly pointed, with Wolff stating emphatically, "If I were Toto, I would do that." This comment indicates a high level of dissatisfaction with the present situation and signals that the pressure to reconsider the deal is mounting. Industry observers are closely watching this development, anticipating that Wolff's intervention could catalyze immediate changes in the strategic direction of the involved parties. The immediate focus is on whether this push from a senior figure will lead to the cancellation of the engine agreement, and what the implications will be for McLaren's technical future. Mercedes-Benz is testing the highly anticipated new electric Mercedes-AMG GT four-door Coupé ahead of its world premiere on May 19th. The vehicle is undergoing a rigorous evaluation, featuring F1 development driver Dorian Pin and Mercedes-Benz CEO Ola Källenius. The test aims to determine if the performance-focused model earns Pin's official racing driver approval. The testing process began in a driving simulator, where Ola Källenius detailed the engineering concepts, including the integration of axial flux motor technology, a significant advancement in AMG's electrified performance, built on the new AMG architecture. The evaluation then transitioned to the track, focusing intensely on the car's agility, control, and repeatable performance under real-world conditions. Throughout the track sessions, the interaction between the driver and the vehicle was central. Advanced systems, such as the AMG Race Engineer Control Unit, which manages agility and traction control settings, allowed for immediate, tangible adjustments, underscoring the car's driver-focused design and commitment to controllable performance. The final verdict on whether the electric Mercedes-AMG GT four-door Coupé secures Dorian Pin's racing driver approval will be revealed in the concluding moments of the accompanying video. This development aligns with Mercedes-Benz's long-standing commitment to innovation, tracing back to Carl Benz's patenting of the first automobile 140 years ago. The brand continues this legacy by pioneering advancements across its lineup, from early automobiles to today's intelligent electric vehicles. Mercedes-Benz emphasizes that its innovation extends beyond engineering achievements, creating an experience encapsulated by the feeling of welcome home. The company is currently celebrating 140 years of innovation, with a global initiative driving 3 new S-Class saloons to 140 locations worldwide until October. Volkswagen has officially launched its most advanced plug-in hybrid offering, the ID. Era 9X, a full-size, 3-row SUV designed to compete in the premium large vehicle segment. Measuring 5.2 meters long, the vehicle is positioned to challenge established rivals including Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Denza. Developed in collaboration with Chinese state-owned SAIC, the ID. Era 9X embodies Volkswagen's latest design language, featuring an ultra-slim light bar, split headlamps, and a wide lower intake equipped with active shutters. Exterior design cues include pop-out door handles, a full-width taillight, a floating effect roof, and a prominent LEDAR binnacle. The ID. Era 9X shares a footprint with the combustion-powered Mercedes-Benz GLS, boasting a 30/70 wheelbase. Despite its size, the vehicle maintains a low drag coefficient of just 0.253 CD, optimizing range and efficiency. Internally, the SUV offers a spacious 2+2+2 configuration. Driver information is managed via dual 15.6-inch screens alongside an 8.9-inch digital instrument cluster and a large head-up display. The second row features dual 6-inch screens in the rear doors, complemented by a 21.4-inch ceiling-mounted screen. Volkswagen has introduced novel technology, including 4-zone voice and gesture control, microphone-free karaoke, zero-gravity heated and cooled massage seats, and configurable 256-color ambient lighting. Convenience features include an onboard fridge with heating and navigation-led adaptive cruise control that manages parking. Under the bonnet, the vehicle utilizes Volkswagen's 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which functions solely as a generator or range extender in this hybrid configuration. The standard version is equipped with 370 kW dual motors and a 51 kWh battery, providing a 347 km electric range. The flagship model pushes performance with 380 kW and a larger 65 2 kWh battery, achieving a zero-emission range of up to 406 km. The combined total range, when utilizing the petrol engine, spans between 1,611 km and 1,651 km, with a fuel consumption rate of 6.27 L/100 km when the battery is depleted. Charging capabilities are rapid, allowing a 1080% top-up in just 16.5 minutes thanks to the 800-volt architecture. Comfort is enhanced by a dual-chamber air suspension system that uses road sensors to pre-arm springs and dampers. In urban settings, new rear-wheel steering significantly reduces the turning circle to just 4.85 meters. In the Chinese market, the ID Era 9X has been priced starting at 309,800 yuan, approximately $64,000. However, there is currently no confirmation regarding whether the flagship range extender hybrid is engineered for right-hand drive markets, meaning the ID Era 9X remains unavailable for Australian buyers.